Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear parents, I am Aslam Beg, HM Al Mahmood International School, Akola. Today we will discuss about second term examination. Before that, I am thankful for our staff who work hard in this session to provide online education to our children. As well as I am thankful to our parents who supported us in smooth conduction of online classes. All kinds of accessory which were necessary for conducting online classes like laptop, mobiles, recharge, so all things they provided to our children. So thank you so much. And I am so proud of my students during this pandemic also. They didn't think it is a online classes or offline classes. They were always eager to get knowledge, and they always try on their level best to get education. So I am so proud all of you, my students. So without any delay, today first of all we will discuss about the instruction which has been given on our timetable and portion. So see those all instruction once again I am reading in front of you. So all of you listen carefully. It will help us to conduction of our smooth conduction of our final examination. So see this instruction. Among this, first of all, paper will be descriptive. So this thing mean paper will be descriptive, long answers, short answers, objective type questions, all question will be there. Second thing, student will receive the question paper in the respective class WhatsApp group at 8:50 am on all exam days. Paper must be started at 9 am. So 8:50 the student will get paper, and anyhow 9 am they have to start paper. Student need to read all the instruction carefully, solve paper and send it to respective subject teachers WhatsApp. It's also very important. Student will get their question paper in WhatsApp group, class WhatsApp group, and they have to send answer sheet to respective subject teachers, not to HM, not to PRO, not to class teacher, only to subject teacher. So with question paper we will provide you WhatsApp number of respective subject teacher also on the day of exam, on which number you have to send. So keep care, only that respective subject teacher whose number will be provided on the day of exam, we have to send only on that number, not anyone else. Next, maintain register for solving paper. Maintain any one register, and in that register student have to solve all their papers. No request for submission beyond the specified time will be entertained. In given timing they have to solve. If their paper is 9 to 11, so in this timing they have to solve, then 15 minutes more they will get for making PDF and for sending. So if paper is 9 to 11, so till 11:15 anyhow they have to send. Keep care about it. Only one submission per student will be accepted. In case of more submission, the child will not be considered for the evaluation. If any student is sending more 2, 3, 4 PDF, so obviously teacher will not check, because they will become confused which they have to check and which they don't have to check. So only one submission we want, only one PDF of one student. Answer having overwriting and submission after given timing will not be considered for evaluation. Keep care about this one also. Answer submitted must have clarity, neat handwriting, clear image. If you are sending PDF to teacher and you have taken images, but those images are blur, we can't read what is written there. So you think how teachers can check that? So it will create a trouble for teachers. So take clear image, then you have to send that. Student need to send the PDF of the answer sheet having their name, class, subject and date of exam written clearly on the top. It's also very important thing. Before making PDF, don't forget to write on the top full name of student. Not only his name, with father's name he has to write, she has to write, class, subject, and what is the date of examination. These all things they must write on the top, otherwise teacher will don't know whose paper is this, because whole class will send to teacher, so how can he understand? So keep care about it and send paper in PDF form and give proper name to PDF. Suppose if Izhan is sending paper to teacher, so he must write there Izhan class 7 paper science, only this one, like so they have to write this thing. Next is, it's expected that all parents and students will extend their full cooperation toward the smooth and fair conduction of the examination. If we want, we must conduct this examination smoothly. So in this matter, we want your cooperation. Without your cooperation, we can't do these things. After that, one important thing regarding this examination, every time we all have to keep remember, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy, and our Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he who cheats is not from us Muslim. He who cheats is not from us Muslim. So later, one important thing, for knowing the entire process of our second term examination, which we are going to start from 1st of April inshallah. So we keep mock test. So notification regarding in a form of letter we send in WhatsApp group to all parents. So you can see on coming Sunday we have this mock test. So if students are solving that mock test, so they will know how they have to make PDF, how they have to solve paper, and how they have to set PDF of answer sheet to the respective teacher. And in last, especially 5th, 6th and 7th class student and parents, listen very carefully. There is a little change in timetable portion only in class 5th, 6th and 7th. So there is a correction in timetable portion. Portion is same, but a sequence of subject we change that. So new portion with this video we will share with you. So it's requested you all. Previous one you have to scrap that. If you have taken out print, so tear that. This portion which we are sending today with this video, this portion timetable and portion you have to follow, especially for 5th, 6th, 7th. Other nursery to 4th, 8th to 9th and 11th, that is same. So once again I am telling 5th, 6th, 7th parents, please pay attention towards this, that there is a changes in timetable portion. So the portion which we are sending now, you have to follow that. So I hope inshallah you will make study according to timetable and portion to your respective ward, and our 100% student like previous papers, they will take part and they will solve that inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.